wish I was what Helen lies, for night and day on me she cries, for night and day on me she cries. I wish I was what Helen lies on fair Kirkconnel lea. Oh Helen fair, oh Helen chaste, were I with thee I would be blessed, were I with thee I would be blessed, where thou liest low and at thy rest on fair Kirkconnel lea. Oh Helen fair beyond compare, I'll make a garland o' thy hair, I'll make a garland o' thy hair, wrapped round my heart forevermore until the day I die. But curse the heart that hatched the thought, and curse the hand that fired the shot. I curse the hand that fired the shot, when in my arms my Helen dropped and died for sake o' me. But think na ye my heart was sair, my love dropped down hand's back nae mair, and later down wi' muckle care. Oh think na ye my heart was sair on fair Kirkconnel lea, for a fun my foe behen a wa, and lechted down my sword to draw. Stern was her strife on Kirtle Shaw, as I hacked him into pieces sma'. What in my love frae me? I wish I was what Helen lies, for night and day on me she cries. I wish I was what Helen lies on fair Kirkconnel